Well, I fell in love with the beauty.
The sound of the forest, the song of the birds, the color of the flowers, that's what attracted me.
We designed the Goddess Garden for groups up to 50 people. We have 3 yoga spaces. The biggest one can hold up to 50 souls and is equipped with all yoga props and sound systems. We also offer a round yoga pavilion designed with a precious wooden floor surrounded by nature. Our third space is a conference room with air conditioning. It can be used for all kinds of activities like movies, dance and meditation. There is something fascinating about this place. If you sit on the porch of your room, you can see nature unveiling itself for you, with monkeys playing on trees, toucans flying by, and sense of love hitting your heart. And then you walk to the pristine beach, and there is no one there except you, with the ocean and the palm trees, reminding you that we are one with the universe. Where can you find this if not here in Costa Rica?
Jacqueline has done an amazing job. Mostly the garden is her creation, but the beauty was here.
We named our property the Goddess Garden to honor the female energy in the universe, which has been suppressed for thousands of years. And it is time to give the female energy a voice.
Welcome to the Goddess Garden.
Bienvenidos a Goddess Garden.
El Cahuita es pura vida.
It's up to you. You can just chill out and enjoy the beauty of the rainforest and the enchanted Caribbean Sea, or participate in exciting activities. When you return home, the wonderful experience at the Goddess Garden will be ingrained in your heart.